Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk through how to actually use the snipping tool in Windows 11. It's a built-in utility that most people only use for basic screenshots. But recent updates have turned it into a much more capable tool for video recording and text extraction. Let's look at how it works in a daily workflow. It's helpful to stop thinking of this as just a screenshot app. In Windows 11, it acts more like a lightweight production studio. Beyond standard captures, it now handles privacy redaction, full screen recording, and OCR, which is Optical Character Recognition. Essentially, it can read and extract text directly from your images. Speed is usually the priority when you're capturing your screen. You have three main ways to trigger the tool. Win+Shift+S is your go-to for targeted screenshots. Win+Shift+R jumps you straight into the video recording overlay. And the print screen key still works for a full screen capture to your clipboard. If you prefer using your mouse, I recommend searching for Snipping Tool in the Start menu and pinning it to your taskbar so it's always one click away. Once you trigger the tool, you'll see four modes at the top of your screen. Full screen grabs everything visible. Rectangle is the default. You just click and drag. And that's the option I often use in my day-to-day workflow. Window mode is great for isolation. It captures a specific app window without showing your desktop background. Freeform lets you draw a custom shape. Pro tip: you can cycle through these modes quickly by pressing Alt+M. A common frustration is trying to capture a menu or a tooltip that disappears as soon as you click the capture button. To solve this, use the delay timer. Inside the app, you can set a 3, 5, or 10-second countdown. This gives you enough time to open the menu or set the scene exactly how you need it before the screen freezes for the snip. This is very handy, especially when trying to capture the different options in drop-down menus. After you take a snip, the editor opens up. You'll find a ballpoint pen and a highlighter, both with adjustable colors and thickness. Let's take a look at this in practice. Feel free to draw on or around the objects in your capture, or use the highlighter to emphasize something important. If you make a mistake, the eraser lets you remove individual strokes. Select Erase All Markups to remove all changes at once. For cleaner work, there's also a ruler and a protractor to help you draw straight lines or measure angles directly on your capture. This is one of the most practical features: text actions. When you click this, the tool identifies text in the image so you can copy it instead of retyping. From here, you have the option to either select and copy specific text or use the tools to copy all text or copy as table, then paste the text into Notepad. There's also Quick Redact. It automatically looks for sensitive details like email addresses or phone numbers and hides them behind black bars. It's a fast way to stay secure, though it's always worth a quick double check before you share the file. For video, the process is straightforward. Toggle to the record icon and select the area you want to capture. Before you start, you can choose to enable or disable microphone and system audio. Note that while the microphone toggle is reliable for narration, system audio capture can sometimes depend on the specific app you're recording. Once you're set, hit start and wait for the countdown. If your screen recording needs a bit of polish, you don't need to find a third-party editor. You can send the clip directly to Clipchamp, which is built into Windows 11. This is where you can trim the ends of your video, add simple transitions, or generate automatic on-screen subtitles for better accessibility. Within the Clipchamp interface, you have more control over the sound. You can adjust the volume or use the detach audio feature. This separates the voice track from the video, which is useful if you only need the audio as a standalone file, or if you want to replace the background track entirely. To summarize the workflow, images are automatically saved to your screenshots folder and copied to your clipboard. Text extracted via OCR is ready to be pasted into emails or documents, and videos are saved to your videos folder and can be sent to Clipchamp for final edits. It's a single lightweight utility that covers most of your visual communication needs. A sincere advice: memorizing just 2 or 3 of these, like Windows+Shift+S for images and Control+C to copy, will significantly speed up your daily work. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, feel free to subscribe for more practical Windows tutorials.